Hi, this is Onn Baby from Bangkok, Thailand. I'm a beauty creator and today my mission is to unbox because I get to unbox the beauty with Cosmoprof Asia. So this is the first product that I'll be unboxing. The brand is from German. It's called Geska and it's the German beauty tech. So let's see what this is about. So it's our #1 beauty innovation, smart app guided, warm and cool eye energizer. So it's 6 in 1. So let's see what it is inside. Oh wow. So it comes with instruction, it advanced app, AI powered skin scan, personal guide, video guided, in-app reward and expert tips. It's hygienic seal as well. Wow. Isn't that pretty? So it comes in like a gadget in gold, metallic gold with black silicone. So you press the button here and it vibrates, and then you can adjust the level or reduce the level. And then there's 2 buttons here, the sun shape and the snowflake shape. So the sun shape is for warm and the snowflake shape is for cooling. So let's try the cooling. Wow, I can feel it's so cool. It's like cooling. And you can actually use this to reduce the puffy eyes, or when you wake up in the morning and you feel like you're not refreshing, you feel tiring. So you use this. Oh my God. It's like very cooling and it actually feels really good. And when you feel like you come back home at night and you need to put on eye cream and wants to feel more relaxed, that's when you press the sun shape. It's gonna be more warm feeling. And then you just apply under your eyes with eye cream. This feels really good. Okay, so this is like my new favorite eye gadget. So go shop at Geska, it's German brand. And then second one will be here. Second one is Ramses. Let's see. Woo. So it comes in a black box like this. Wow. The tool looks so pretty. It's like in metallic pink and with hand shape and everything. And it has like this little LED screen. And then it comes with a manual instruction. The stand, so you can just put it here when you use it. So you see the LED screen, you can press it and then you can touch it. It's actually a really nice touch screen. You can choose whatever you want, different mode like this. And then you see all the lights because they're like LED lights. So you can use with your face, your skin, and this gave me really cooling effect. So it's a beauty gadget for your face and you can use with your neck as well. So you can press different mode, choose what you want, and there's a timing so you know when to stop and when to finish. I love all this beauty gadget, beauty tool. I feel like it's a nice thing that you can maintain and take good care of your skin and your face and your body when you don't have time to go out. So this is a Japanese brand, so I recommend you guys, if you are looking for a nice face and body beauty gadgets, this is another product that I think you will love it for sure. Let's see what I'm unboxing right now. Wow, another beauty gadget from Korea. So this is a vitamin LED brand. Of course, I'm not showing you just this because the real one is coming in. Yes, this is the vitamin LED, a very high technology home beauty gadget. You can adjust it the way you like. It's 360-degree adjustable. And you can adjust it here as well. So it's adjustable due to your preferences. And this is the real deal. So if you need the LED light for that, you just adjust it to your angle and then you press. And the LED light will come up like this with a perfect 20 minutes timing. So whatever you're doing, reading, sleeping, napping, you can enjoy getting your beauty at home with this vitamin LED. So this is the perfect machine that helps you to stay beauty at home. You see, it easily folded. And that's it. Enjoy. The next product, wow, it comes in a bag. It's AP Lady. Let's see what this is. Oh, it's a hair removal that we can use at home. I love how it comes in like this heart-shaped box because it helps with the storage. Epilaser, and there's the power button here. Oops. So when you use it, you just use with the USB charger like this, and then it works. So you press the button and you see all the light, and this is how it works. When the light is on, and this is level 1, level 2, level 3, you press on your skin like this. There's no flashing light. This is what I like about it. You can feel a bit warm on your skin, and then you feel like it's really working with your hair right now, but you don't feel that it hurts at all. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt. You just press on your skin like this, like a flat surface, and the epic laser just doing its job. No flashlight. That's what I like about it, because from what I've done before, you need to wear like goggles or sunglasses because the laser light just keep flashing. But this is so easy. You see? You put it on your flat surface skin, and then there's like one beep, and then it's done. See? I love this one. This is so convenient and easily to use. You can choose all the level of the hardness as well. So I would suggest if you're the new beginner, you go for level 1. But if you're used to all the hair removal or anything, you go for level 2 or level 3. And this is the product for those that don't have time but want to get their hair removed. And the last product, let's see what this is. Calendar. Oh, the box looks so nice. Let's unbox this. So inside, there's the gadget and the moisture gel. So I'll bring the demo product and show you how it works. So the product comes like this with the stand as well, and you can change the height of it. So if you want to use for your head, your scalp, your hair, you can just slide it in like this. Okay. And then you press the power, and then you pick the mode of what you want. Iron, pole, head, EMS, sonic, RF. I go for head, and then you pick the level. There's 3 levels. And then you just kind of like gently use it on your head like this. You feel some things like drizzling a bit. I think this is the best tool. I think this would work if you use with like hair serum, you know, or like hair products. And once you want to change to the other mode, like iron, you can just take off the head like this. And then you use it with your skin, your face, and then you pick level. Oh. For iron, it's actually very cooling. You can feel it. So this product, you have to use with this moisture gel all the time. So you just put moisture gel on like this. And then you use with iron like this. It's another beauty product that you can use at home for your face, for your hair, for your scalp, for your skin. And I feel like all these beauty gadgets, it helps women or anyone to maintain their beauty when they don't have much time to go out, to go to spa, to go to salon. Wow, I love the feeling. So this is the 5 products that I'm unboxing today at Cosmoprof Asia. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys here again at Cosmoprof Asia next year. Bye!